Let's explore how to validate Social Security numbers using regular expressions, specifically focusing on the United States Social Security number format. Regular expressions provide a powerful way to define and check patterns, making them perfect for validating data formats such as Social Security numbers. We'll be discussing the regular expression patterns for Social Security number validation. A standard United States Social Security number consists of 9 digits, typically formatted with hyphens as shown, XXXXXXXX. The first 3 digits represent the area number, followed by a 2-digit group number, and finally a 4-digit serial number. Each part serves a specific purpose. The area number indicates the state or region where the Social Security number was initially assigned. The group number and serial number further differentiate individuals. This structure is crucial for accurate validation. Here is a basic regular expression pattern that matches the standard Social Security number format. $D open curly brace 3 close curly brace hyphen \D open curly brace 2 close curly brace hyphen \D open curly brace 4 close curly brace $. This pattern breaks down as follows. The caret symbol and dollar symbol anchors the pattern to the start and end of the string, ensuring that the entire input matches the pattern. \D open curly brace 3 close curly brace matches exactly 3 digits. Hyphen matches the hyphen character literally. \D open curly brace 2 close curly brace matches exactly 2 digits. \D open curly brace 4 close curly brace matches exactly 4 digits. This basic pattern ensures that the input string adheres to the expected Social Security number format of 3 digits, hyphen, 2 digits, hyphen, and 4 digits. Let's implement a simple function in Python to validate a Social Security number format using the regular expression we just discussed. First, import the re module, which provides regular expression operations. Define a function called validate_Social Security number that takes Social Security number as input. Inside the function, define the regular expression pattern R followed by a single quote caret symbol \D open curly brace 3 close curly brace hyphen \D open curly brace 2 close curly brace hyphen \D open curly brace 4 close curly brace $, single quote. Use re.match to check if the pattern matches the beginning of the Social Security number string. The function returns true if there is a match, and false otherwise. Here's a test case. If you pass the string 123-45-6789 to the function, it will return true. Here is a more flexible regular expression pattern that accounts for different separators such as hyphens, spaces, or no separators at all. Caret symbol \D open curly brace 3 close curly brace open square bracket hyphen \S close square bracket question mark \D open curly brace 2 close curly brace open square bracket hyphen \S close square bracket question mark \D open curly brace 4 close curly brace $. This pattern is more versatile as it allows for variations in how the Social Security number is formatted. The open square bracket hyphen \S close square bracket question mark part allows for either a hyphen white space or no separator between the digit groups. This flexibility makes the pattern more adaptable to real-world scenarios where Social Security numbers may not always be entered in a consistent format. Let's enhance the Python implementation to use the flexible regular expression pattern. Import the re module. Define a function called validate_Social Security number_flexible that takes Social Security number as input. Define the regular expression pattern as R, followed by a single quote caret symbol \D open curly brace 3 close curly brace open square bracket hyphen \S close square bracket question mark \D open curly brace 2 close curly brace open square bracket hyphen \S close square bracket question mark \D open curly brace 4 close curly brace $, single quote. Use re.match to check if the pattern matches the Social Security number string. Test cases. The function now correctly validates Social Security numbers with hyphens, spaces, or without any separators. The string 123-45-6789 returns true, and the string 123456789 also returns true. The Social Security Administration has specific rules about which number patterns are invalid. Some common invalid formats include area numbers starting with 000-666, group numbers equal to 00, serial numbers equal to 0000. Being aware of these rules is crucial for implementing robust validation logic that goes beyond just the basic format. Here's a complete Python function that combines format validation with checks for invalid number patterns. Import the remodule. Define a function called validate_complete_social security number that takes social security number as input. First, perform format validation using the flexible regular expression pattern, R, followed by a single quote $D open curly brace 3 close curly brace open square bracket hyphen \S close square bracket $D open curly brace 2 close curly brace open square bracket hyphen \S close square bracket $D open curly brace for close curly brace $single quote. Extract only the digits from the social security number by removing hyphens and spaces. Check for invalid patterns such as area numbers starting with 000 or 666, group number equals to 00, or serial number equals to 0000. The function returns false if any of these invalid patterns are found, and true otherwise. This comprehensive validation ensures that the social security number not only matches the correct format, but also adheres to the rules set by the Social Security Administration. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.